Hi all, this is Daniel with MyColdTherapy and MyColdTherapy. I wanted to quickly walk you through how to access the charts that are aligned with the products that you might want to purchase on our website. This is a common question that we get, and we know that it's an easy way for you to be able to find the information you're looking for. So let me show you how to quickly access it. When you go down to our home or to any of the pages for any products that we sell, you'll notice that you can have the photos here on the left. You'll see the title of the actual product on the right and an enlarged vision of the actual product that you're interested in purchasing. And if you scroll down, a whole bunch of other information that's actually in another video that I did that helps walk you through how to purchase products on our site. But as you scroll down just past this information content section, you'll notice a chart. And that chart is specifically located here to give you the ability to find information you might need as it relates to the pads that are applicable to these specific products. You need to select the pad because we don't know what surgery you're going to have, so it helps you to better understand and us to better understand exactly which product you might want to find. So in this case, if you're looking to have maybe knee surgery, you would want to take a look to see if the regular knee pad, large knee pad, or the extra large knee pad is best fit for you. To do so, look at the dimensions and the straps and then measure it around your leg specifically using measuring tape. This way you can quickly see which product would be best suited for the actual device that you're going to purchase. It also gives you the ability to quickly walk through some of the different videos we have located here to walk you through further education around these specific products. I hope this video was helpful, and again, if you have any questions, feel free to add it in the comments section below. Thanks, and let's get back to living.